How to file your taxes on IRS. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about on how can you file your taxes on IRS. So first of all, gather your necessary documents such as including W2S, 1099s, receipts, or any other documents related to your income, deductions and credits. Then after, also choose a filing status. Determine that your filing status, single, married filing, jointly, head of the household, etc., as it affects your tax rates and deductions. After that, select a filing method. Decide whether you will file your taxes electronically or by mail. E-filing is generally faster, more convenient, and helps reduce the errors. You can also use the tax preparation software. Consider using a tax preparation software to guide you through the process. Popular options include TurboTax, H&R Block, and TaxAct. These tools often help you identify the potential deductions and credits. If you choose to e-file, you can use the IRS free file program if you meet the certain income criteria. Alternatively, you can use a commercial tax software or hire a tax professional for other e-filing services. And if you prepare to file a paper return, download the necessary forms from the IRS website to fill them out and mail them to the address specified in the instructions. And if you also owe any taxes, ensure that you pay by the tax deadline. You can make the electronic payments through the IRS website or include a check money order with the paper return. Also keep a copy of your tax return and any supporting documentation for your records. Check the status of your refund, and if you're expecting a refund, you can check its status on the IRS website or through the Where is my refund tool. And also consider the professional help. If your financial situation is complex or if you have any questions, consider seeking assistance from the tax professional or CPA. Remember to check the latest IRS guidelines and updates for the most accurate and current information. This is basically how you can file your taxes on IRS. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Thank you. See you in the next video.